Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and jump into the video. Today we're going to be trying out the new Revolution Beauty or Makeup Revolution, however you say their name, Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. We have it right here. And then we're also going to try out their new Fast Base Concealer. So I already have their Conceal and Define Concealer, which is really, really good. A lot of people compare it to the Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like it's really the same. I did a review on them and compared them both. If you have not seen that video, you can go check it out. But I really love that concealer, but it ran out really, really fast. So they came out with a larger, like full-size version of it, which really made me happy. So I purchased that as well. But I've not tried these two yet. So we're gonna try them today. Alright, so you guys know I'm not a primer kind of girl, but I'm going to be going in with one of their primers. This is the Pro Base Blur Illumination Base Primer. So we're just gonna use this. I don't feel like primer makes or breaks my foundation routine, so I don't really ever do it on my own. But since for the sake of this video, a lot of you guys might be like, oh, you need to use primer. So I am going to use it. I'm just rubbing it all over my face. Alright, so now we're going to go in with this. First impressions on the bottle. I really like the bottle and the idea of it and how when you pull it out, it's like a stick like this. The only thing I don't like about it is that I know this looks just like the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. And for one, I mean, I wouldn't have came out with the same bottle idea, but for two, that foundation in the bottle was really hard to get product out after using it for a while. So I don't know if this is gonna be different, but we're just gonna go in. I have the color F2, so I just have like their second color. So far there's a lot of product in there, which I like. Basically, I'm just gonna stick it all over my face like I normally would. Alright, so I may need to add more product, but we're just going to go in with how it is because we're looking a little crazy. I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge. This blends out my foundation the best. So this is what I am going to use. And we're gonna see, like, is it full coverage, you know, how does it look? Okay. Wow. I honestly didn't expect it to disappoint me. So far it's like super full coverage and it matches my skin perfectly, which is really, really hard for me to get a foundation that matches my skin perfectly. So they have the foundation, which is a foundation stick, and it is like literally one of my most favorite, and I just repurchased that as well because I've been waiting for this to come out so I could buy it and buy the concealer like all at once, just because I'm really cheap and don't purchase things very often. So I am really excited because the other foundation stick is one of the most amazing formulas and it matches my skin absolutely perfect. So I'm really, really excited. And so far this is blending out amazingly. Like, this looks so good on the skin. Now I'm like, is this gonna be my favorite or is the foundation stick gonna be my favorite? Makeup Revolution hasn't really disappointed me like ever before. I've always loved their stuff. I found them at Ulta. That's how I found them, and I always love their stuff. They have some of my most top favorite products. So yeah, so far it looks really, really good on the skin. I feel like I'm gonna add a little bit more right here just because this is where I put less product. So I'm just gonna add a couple more in those spots just so I look even, but like that blended out so easily. It looks so good. It's kind of like, what makes me happy about this is that it's not like super matte, because I don't really like matte foundations, and like it gives like a little bit of a glow to the skin, so I'm kind of like really, really liking that. Okay, so of course we haven't worn it all day, so I can't give my full opinion on it. I'm gonna wear it for a couple hours when I go to school and when I come back and, you know, do stuff around the house, and then I'm gonna come back and check in with you guys. I'm not gonna wear it all day because I have other videos and stuff to do, but so far it's looking really, really good. So now we're gonna go in with the Fast Base Concealer. I hope this is really, really good. We'll see how it is. Their other concealer that matches this foundation is really, really good. So let's see. It comes out with this like little twisty product thing. So nothing's coming out yet, so let me just give it a minute because these always take a minute to come out. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. So I feel like this is gonna be darker. Yeah, this might be too dark for me. I don't know. Oh wait, no, that's kind of light, right? Okay, so first impression, putting it on. It's not super thick. It has like thickness to it, but it's kind of watery, which is nice because that means you probably like won't have as many like creases. So I'm just putting this on. It's gliding on pretty easily. I'm just putting this on in all the spots that I normally do. I like to take it a little bit thicker down the nose. Now that I have it, like the first pump of it coming out, it's coming out really, really easily. And I'm just putting this kind of everywhere. I'm gonna put it on my eyes too, because, you know, why not? Okay, so first I'm just gonna go ahead and take it and blend out the eyes. Just go ahead and do that. Blend out the forehead. It's blending really easily. Like that was like a couple little pushes and it blended out super nice. Yep, that's really nice and easy to blend out. So now we're gonna see under the eyes. Under the eyes is where it like makes or breaks it. So let's see. I'm gonna put, so far it's blending out really nicely. I have like dark like spots under my eyes. I'm gonna get it like closer to my eye, like right there. I always have to do this, so I'm just pushing that in. That blended out so nicely. I don't think I have a concealer that blended out that easy. Like it's like a couple little like pushes and then you're good to go. Again, with this eye, I'm gonna take it a little bit closer right there. Okay, wow. These two look really, really good together. Like, of course, I haven't worn it all day. I'm probably gonna keep saying that, but like, it looks so nice. Okay, wow, that blended out so easily. Like, that was so easy to blend out and it looks so nice under the skin. I kind of want to compare it to the other one on another day, their other concealer, just to kind of see like the difference. But like, it looks really, really nice. I'm really liking it. All right, so now I'm just gonna take the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder right here, and I'm just gonna use this to set under my eyes and my forehead area. So I'm just gonna take it very, very lightly on the brush and just push it in to like the closest part of my eye. I already explained like in all my videos why I don't put it like completely on under my eyes or on my face, but this is what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna take a little bit on the forehead because I have a wrinkly ass forehead, so I like to set it. And then of course I'm gonna take it over the eyes, which I should have probably blended out first, but we're just gonna go with the flow. All right, so far so good. I'm really liking it. So this is not really a makeup tutorial, so I'm not gonna really talk through what I'm doing as much. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But yeah, this is basically about the foundation and concealer. So I'm gonna try to just do my makeup really fast. And we're gonna use as many Makeup Revolution products as I can because why not? So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze Bronzer. I'm just taking a brush and I'm gonna start bronzing up my face. And I like to go in with blush, so I'm gonna be taking the Makeup Revolution, the matte blush in the color Beloved on just a blush brush. I like to go into blush and then go into bronzer, so that's what I'm doing. All right, now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And as that is drying, I'm gonna do my brows off camera.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
All right, so I back. I've been gone. I've had this on for probably about 3 hours now, and so far, honestly, of course, it's not like a full day, but normally I notice a difference after a couple hours of wearing it. The foundation is still like super full coverage. It's not breaking up. It's not separating anywhere. I do have like a very light amount of smile lines, but I literally get that with any foundation. It looks good. I'm really excited about it, honestly, because it looks so good. It matches my skin really nicely. So yeah, I guess that's all I really have to say about it. It looks great, super full coverage. It's not too matte, but it's not too dewy, so you look greasy. Yeah, I'm really loving this. Now for the concealer, it still looks really good. I do have some creases under my eyes, but I get like creases with any concealer, so I'm not mad at it. It looks really good. It looks like nice and full coverage. It looks pretty darn good. I'm gonna use it some more, of course, and I will let you guys know below in the comments if my opinion changes, if I end up not liking it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.